Okay, so in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to make this effect in CapCut for free. So first, record a video of you walking, just like this. And then open CapCut. And then hit New Project. Hit on the video you want. And then click Add. After that's done, remove the ending, the black one. And then add some text. Choose any font you want. And then resize it. And then make it the length of the full video, like this. So save it to your device. And then click on New Project again. Click on that video and the original video you're working. After that's done, click on the video you were walking and then scroll until you see overlay and click on overlay. Drag it to the beginning. And also don't forget to delete the ending. After your overlay is done, when you start walking, click on the overlay and then click on mask. Horizontal. And then shape it like this. Click on the diamond button, which is a keyframe, and then drag it like this. Click tick, and let's see what we just made. That is a pretty good thing, but now it's just having a bit of like, yeah, look at that. It's just not appearing in the right way. So we're gonna export that into a device. And then hit on New Project again. And then get that edited footage and the original footage. Remove the ending again. And then with the original footage, just click overlay like the last time. Drag it to the beginning so it matches the upper video. Click remove BG, auto removal, and then wait until CapCut removes your background. Click on the tick, and then your background will be removed. Let's see the results. It is a bit smoother because there is a video that doesn't have a background on top of it, so it makes it a bit smoother. Cut the part that you don't want. And then finally, export the video to your device. Please subscribe.